Hey friends, you're going to love this summer salad recipe. It's recipes like this that have helped Mark and I maintain our 70 pounds of combined weight loss. If you need more easy recipes, cheat sheets, meal plans like this, put easy in the comments and we'll invite you to our recipe group. You're going to add 3 cups cucumbers, 2 cups tomato, a 1/4 cup red onion, 1 tablespoon dill, a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper, 1/4 cup white vinegar, a 1/4 cup olive oil, and a half a teaspoon of stevia. Go ahead and mix that all together and refrigerate and then serve. I'm telling you, this will be the hit of the party. Nobody will even know it's keto. Make sure you follow for more. Enjoy.